Welcome to the Across International workshop floor. Today we are excited to showcase the Vacuum Tungsten Sintering Furnace, the VTSF 75-21 for advanced sintering applications. Let us look at what is a Vacuum Tungsten Sintering Furnace. The VTSF is a high-performance tool engineered for sintering applications for refractory materials, semiconductor wafers, various ceramic components operating in a vacuum or controlled atmosphere. This furnace offers a clean environment, precise temperature control, and superior material properties. It's the ideal solution for industries and research facilities requiring advanced sintering capabilities. In this session, we are going to explore the furnace features, application, and how can it help you achieve optimal results. As you can see, the unit consists of 4 parts, which is the electrical chamber, the vacuum chamber, the vacuum pump, and the chiller for the insulation jacket. We do recommend using turbo pump for the units to get under higher vacuum level without effort and less time. Current model that we are about to showcase comes equipped with the highly efficient Edwards IXM semiconductor series dry vacuum pump, ensuring top tier performance for your sintering needs. And let's take a look around the unit. As you can see, the chamber itself has a polycarbonate enclosure, which lets user to not get in contact with any of the lines that are currently active while running the unit. And the orange lines that you see are for the water lines. That's the cooling jacket. And that is your lift motor for the lid. So it's all electrically controlled, which you can lift the lid from as well. So the ports on the top, either you can have the inert gas environment can be created on the top end of the unit, or on the bottom, like on this port, or on the top using that port on the top. So you can click on the furnace cover and then raise the cover by using the up arrow button. And that will stop at a specific time as soon as the limit switches are engaged. You can swing open the door. The unit comes with a lid on top of there as well, which you can put it inside the chamber. And then that will let you Okay, let's go over the key features of the VTSF 75-21, making the furnace standout performer. Rated to reach ultra-high temperatures over 21 degrees Celsius, perfect for processing refractory materials and advanced ceramics. Customizable vacuum systems, as I mentioned, the units are rated to be used with turbomolecular pump, so you can use that, which is already designed with a flange assembly on the unit. So either can be used on this port or the one on the back, where you can have the assembly directly connected to the turbo pump itself. You can also use it with roughing pump or a diffusion pump to match your application needs. The advanced digital temperature control features a touch screen, as you have seen it on the electrical panel. This gives you access to look at the system status, temperature, put in the parameters for your system, also get the graphs and curves and alarms and records for the system as well. The unit has a secondary Eurotherm 3504 controller, enabling seamless integration with external PLC system. With the designed tungsten heating elements in the chamber, ensuring long-lasting performance and built for extreme temperature resistance. The chamber on the unit offers a vacuum or inert gas environment to protect from oxidation of materials susceptible to oxidation. As you can see, the tungsten chamber and the heating elements, the tungsten heating element mesh, that's the bottom base plate, and those are the thermocouples, the primary and the secondary. The VTSF comes with a water-cooled body for safety, which is regulated at temperatures of 10 to 35 C with the help of the chiller. The size of the chiller will vary upon the size of the chamber requesting. The tube either comes with standard silicone or the PTFE tube. And these are all the orange tubes that you see on the unit. This is the standard silicone tubing, and it goes all the way to the manifold, which activates your pressure sensor for the water and cooling the jacket as well. The safety features that the unit comes equipped with are as follows. So let me just open this panel for you. And as you can see, you have the circuit breaker contactor, the circuit breaker preventing the overload or short circuit on the system. The local thermocouple protection, which is pre-installed on the UFM controller, the 3504. It will show you an SBR core as soon as there is any issues with the thermocouple itself. The over temperature protection for controller, chamber program for program high limits, and water jacket itself. So you can see those on the parameter listing as well as on the touchscreen. So as you can see, they are the high limits for those values, which does if any of those values exceeds those limits, the pressure sensor will kick in, or the temperature sensor will kick in, cutting off power to the elements, and then the unit will go into the cool down process from ambient temperature to the ambient temperature. The overcurrent protection, which is offered as well with the help of the pre-installed fuses. As you can see, there is a set of pre-installed fuses on each of the lines of the unit itself. The unit also comes with dual thermocouple systems, providing primary feedback as well as the secondary thermocouple, which is giving you the reference for the chamber as well. Okay, as I mentioned, the unit has a water chamber for which you use the chiller. The water pressure safety rated for 29 psi and is looped into the system with the help of the pressure sensor, which I will show you as well. Water temperature safety for the jacket needs to be maintained at less than 35 degrees Celsius with the help of the chiller, which is also in the parameter listing on the touchscreen itself as well. And then you can see those temperatures on the left hand side, showing you the insulation layer temperature and the water temperature. So the water, that is your insulation layer temperature, and the water temperature is on the back of the manifold itself, right there. The unit can be also equipped with an optional relief valve to prevent overpressurization inside the chamber. The unit meets UL 61010-1 and the CSA 22, ensuring compliance and reliability for diverse applications. The applications for this vacuum tungsten sintering furnace. This furnace is a game changer for industries and research labs, including for aerospace, providing high-performance material sintering for demanding applications. In advanced ceramics, it provides precision sintering for innovative ceramic technologies, used in powder metallurgy for producing dense and high-strength materials, and used in crystal growth for semiconductor industries, supporting the development of cutting-edge semiconductors. For sintering of refractory metals, perfect for use with materials like tungsten, molybdenum, and tantalum. For R&D, for high performance, making it a versatile tool for innovation and discoveries. The optional accessories and customization that we offer that you can tailor on your VTSF 75-21 to your specific needs with these optional accessories. High performance vacuum gauge for the diffusion or turbomolecular pump. The current one is we have the Inficon gauge will reach the vacuum levels. We can also introduce the one which are rated for the turbomoleculars, like a deep vacuum gauge. High performance vacuum pumps, as I mentioned, the units are rated for turbomolecular pumps and diffusion pumps if you want those as well. Pressure release valves ensuring operational safety under variable conditions. Hydrogen detectors essential for processes involving hydrogen gas. The Alicat MFC, precise mass flow controller for gas regulation, and the PC series pressure controller for superior pressure management during sintering. Okay, why to choose the VTSF? Whether you are in the aerospace, advanced ceramic, or semiconductor research, this furnace delivers precision, reliability, and performance with the advanced features and customizable options. The VTSF 75-21 ensures you stay ahead in material processing technologies. For inquiries about features, customization, or additional accessories, please reach out to Across International Sales and Engineering team. We are here to help you achieve the best results for your applications.